Hello my kiddos friend, welcome to Reena's classes. In my last video you all have learned addition of integers and today you all are going to learn subtraction of integers. Okay, but unless you practice well the addition of integers you won't be able to do this also. So practice it well, okay? So let's get started. These are the warm-up sums. We will do this and then we will do these sums. Is that fine? Okay, so let's get started. So it's written subtract 4 from 9. Okay. So 9 we will write first. 9 minus plus 4. Okay. So till here you understood, right? So in subtraction what we do is just change the sign. This minus will become plus and this plus will become minus and it will all get done. Okay. So 9 plus, change the sign, change the minus into plus and change this plus into minus. 9 minus 4. And then what you have learned in addition of integers, unlike sign, now you have to do in the same way as you used to do the addition of integers. Unlike sign, you have to minus and your answer will be 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. The sign will be plus only because the bigger number has plus sign. That's it. You just need to change the sign and then the way you used to do the addition of integers, the same way you have to continue. Is that fine? Let's practice one more. Minus 4 from 7. Subtract minus 4 from 7. So write 7 first. 7 minus 4. This minus 4 I have written here. Now change the sign. 7. This minus will become plus. This will become plus. So 7 plus 4, like sign, just add it and your answer will be 7 plus 4 is equal to 11 and it will be plus 11. Okay, because both the integers have plus sign. One more, subtract 3 from minus 8. So write minus 8 first. Minus 8 minus, this is plus 3. Plus 3, plus 3. Change the sign. So it will be minus 8, this will become plus. This will become minus. See, now the same way you used to do the plus addition of integers, okay? So like signs, add it and it will be minus 11 because both the integers have minus sign. So minus 11. This you have learned in addition of integers. So you have to do the same thing, okay? So again, minus 9 from 11. So this will be minus 9 minus 11. First you should know how to write. Okay, now minus 5 minus 11. Change the sign. Minus 5 plus, this will be plus 9. Now unlike sign, minus it and your answer will be 9 minus 5, 4. The sign will be plus only because the bigger number has plus sign. I hope you all understood this. Okay, nothing we are doing here. We are just writing first and changing the sign. Only you have to keep in mind is that while doing minus, you have to change the sign. Change this minus sign also. Change this sign and the way you used to do addition of integers, the same way you have to do this. So shall we proceed now here? Okay, fine. So it's written minus 17 minus 13. So let's do, so write minus 17. Change the sign plus. Change the sign plus 13. Now in the same way, unlike sign, minus it and your answer will be minus 4. Unlike sign, 17 minus 13 we did, which is 4 and the sign will be minus because 17 is a bigger number among these two and it has minus sign. Is that fine? So let's do one more. Here it is minus 7 minus 8. Like sign then we will add it. Okay. So minus 7 minus 8 we will add it and we will write minus 15. Minus plus but we will give the sign minus and then it is written minus 25. What we will do is we will change the sign now because whenever minus comes and a bracket is there. Minus and a bracket is there, you need to change these both sign, okay? Okay. Why didn't we change here? Because no brackets were there, it was plus only. So we didn't change this. Whenever a minus sign comes and a bracket comes, you need to change the sign. Fine? So okay. So it will be minus, first write minus 15. Change the sign, plus. This plus 25. Okay, write here first. Plus 25. Okay, now this is the plus thing only. Unlike sign, minus it, and your answer will be 25 minus 15, 10, and the sign will be plus only because the bigger number has plus sign. Let's do this also. Okay, see, what I told you is, whenever a minus sign is there and a bracket is there, you need to change the sign. So, write 50 plus, inside the bracket, plus 48. Again, minus and the bracket, so change the sign, plus 2 minus 110. Till here it is clear to you? Okay, then now you do 50 plus 48 is 98. 98 plus 2 and then minus 110. So 98 plus 2 is 100. 100 minus 110 plus minus. So this will be 100 actually, 100, because 98 plus 2 is 100. 100 minus 110, the answer will be minus 10. 110 minus 100 will be 10, and since the bigger number has minus sign, so the answer is minus 10. I think it's clear to you now. Okay, if you have any queries or you feel that you have not understood, I will again make a video on subtraction of integers. Bye-bye for now. This is Reena signing off. See you all in my next video.